Alright, trading recap for Friday the 15th October. This is my list. I made almost 2 hour. I'm done a half an hour into the day and I don't want to look at anything trading anymore. And I'm gonna go play Warzone instead. Okay, so this thing here, Alcoa, earnings, breakout above all-time highs. I marked in all-time highs. Opened up under all-time highs, which is never good, slamming resistance, but when it does break through resistance, it's strong as all heck. So what was it? It was a 1 minute 3-bar play. It was really toppy in front of 53. It couldn't get through 53. It kept getting to 99 right there, and I got out half my position, and then I added in, and I got 1R right here. Then it broke at R4, and I took partial here, and I took a partial here, which is probably close to high of day, and I set my stop loss for the rest of my position just under here, and I got taken out. I would have definitely gotten out on this recovery once I seen it. This thing's basically done as far as I can tell. Maybe near the middle of the day it'll still do something, but I don't see the need because I looked at how big this thing has run. Like, let's say here, this resistance, when it broke out here on this day, it's matched that ATR. Like, I don't see the need for it to do any more than this. Like, it's already done 1.7 times. That's AA. I traded XBEV and I got had. Okay, so this was a 2 minute. That's why I had the 2 minute on. I saw this thing late. So this would have been the thrust wait candle. And I first saw it here, so I tried to buy it like it was on great volume when it ran. And yeah, so I tried to buy whatever this level would have been, 4103. Instead I had to buy 4112 is what it is. Then, like, my stop loss was literal cents before this. They came in, stopped me, and once I saw that, I was like, okay, I have to get back in. Like, I have to. I'd be doing myself a disservice. And I was looking for this 4177 level, which I got from right here. This is a big volume day. This, right? So it was trending, and I don't like trading stocks that kind of already have been strong. But anyway, so this was the best level I could find. I was looking for this 4177 level. Kind of sold near the high of the day. Just noticed it was steaming out. Then I tried to sell. I had my stop loss at break even here, 4114. It's better on the 1 minute. Like, look at this. I got basically bottom tick on it, of course. I mean, it's my fault. I should have had the actual proper stop loss underneath here, but the thing is, it's an area. Sometimes it holds, sometimes it blows right past. Like, anyway, but that's my fault. So I tried to sell the pop because I thought, okay, it's headed back to my break even, back to VWAP. So when it came back up, I sold on the reload. I tried to sell here, but had a hotkey error and got in long. That's why there's a green right there. And then I immediately just sold out the entire position. I'm like, this is dumb. So that's all I had. ADVL just traded over 1 million shares. This thing was looking like it wanted to break. Like, if it wanted to go above 1030s, it looked like it wanted to break all-time highs because it was supposed to have news today. Just not yet. Yeah, anyway, that's what Benzinga was saying. XBEV Space. Okay, I missed the trade of whatever the day on Space. So Space had the news that they can't do commercial flights for a while. But it gapped down, and it was either heading straight down to this big, massive node down here at because it is still on a negative catalyst, so I knew there had to be some selling at some point, so I wasn't too excited. But once I saw no volume, once I saw the volume come in, I saw this thing like 3 seconds late. Like, I just turned to look, and all the volume was here, and it was already here, and I was waiting for reload of anything in this area, anything, and I got nothing. This would have been the perfect 1 minute 3-bar play. I would have tried to get in somewhere here, and I mean, I wouldn't have even thought of a partial until 3R. I wouldn't have even considered a partial until 3R, so that sucks. That was the first 3 minutes of the day I saw that, so then I was kind of more gung-ho to hit XBEV and make up for this loss after I saw that. I was looking at BTCM long as well. This thing's doing no volume at all. I was looking at this long above this resistance into 1030, and I wrote right away here, it's got a decent chance that it gets slapped back down. And sure enough, it was gap and crap. FCX. I love this thing. It's somehow trading well. I don't know why, but this is some sort of 15-minute 3-bar play. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade it because I mean, I probably should trade it. I really should, but I won't. It's a 15-minute 3-bar play. This thing's gonna probably rip to all high heavens. Oh yeah, cool. So I'm gonna put a line in here. I'm looking for 39.18 on it. That's all I got for today. Almost 2-hour day, and